This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF with a document signing certificate. First, you'll need to acquire a valid digital certificate from a trusted certificate authority. Once you have it, install it on your computer. This usually involves a few simple clicks. Then, open the PDF document you wish to sign using a PDF viewer that supports digital signatures, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader or similar software. Next, navigate to the signing tools within your PDF software. Look for options like Fill and Sign or Certificates. Choose the Digitally Sign feature. You'll then be prompted to draw a rectangular signature field directly onto the PDF page. This field indicates where your digital signature will be visibly placed, typically in a prominent location near the bottom of the document. After drawing the signature field, a dialog box will appear, displaying a list of available digital certificates. Select the correct document signing certificate that you installed earlier. You'll then have the opportunity to customize the appearance of your signature, including adding a date or reason. Finally, enter your certificate password or PIN to confirm and apply the signature securely to the document. Once the signature is applied, save the PDF document, preferably as a new file, to preserve the original. To verify, open the signed PDF. Your PDF viewer should display a notification confirming the signature's validity. This ensures the document's integrity and authenticity, providing assurance that it hasn't been tampered with since it was signed. This process takes less than 1 minute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.